So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to change your Spotify language. All you need to do is just open up the Spotify app on your desktop, and as you can see your account is right here. And just click on this drop down arrow and click on settings, and right here at the top it already says language, choose language, and it's set on English for me, but you can just set it on one of these languages, as you can see. And yeah, that's basically it. Just click on it and for example the Netherlands, and it says you need to restart Spotify to change the language, and then click on restart. And as you can see, the language has been changed. So yeah, if this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And yeah, see you next time.